first element that we're going to draw the Bohr model for is called boron. In order to draw the Bohr model, I need to first find out the number of protons, the number of neutrons. So when I look at the periodic table for boron, it's right here, I see that the atomic number is 5. That tells me that the protons and the electrons are also 5. So I'm going to write that here. Protons equals 5, electrons equals 5, and neutrons equal. To get the neutrons, I have to take the atomic mass. In this case, it's 10.81 because the number after the decimal is greater than 5 or greater. I have to round the 10 up to the next number, which is 11. So the mass equals 11. To get neutrons, I take my atomic mass and I subtract my number of protons, which is 5, and I end up with 6 neutrons. Once I've figured out the math, then I can go ahead and draw the Bohr model. First, I'm going to write in my protons, and I'm going to use red or pink in this case. So my protons is 5, and then I'm going to put a plus sign to show that it's positive, because all protons are positive. Next, inside the nucleus, I need my neutrons. I'm going to use a blue, and I'm going to put a 6 for neutrons, and then a capital N to represent neutrons. Next, we need to put our electrons in the energy levels. The first one is right here and can only hold 2. So I'm going to write 2 electrons here. We have to fill the first one up first. The next energy level can hold up to 8, but our protons is 5. Therefore, our electrons are 5. So we only need 5 total. We have 2 here. So 5 minus 2 equals 3 for the second level. And that's how we draw the Bohr model for atoms. The next one we're going to do is argon. So when I look at my periodic table, it's right here. I see that the atomic number is 18. So we're going to write that right here. For our protons, 18, because that's our atomic number. The atomic mass is 39.9. Atomic mass is 39.9. Because this 9 is greater than 5, we need to round this number up to 40. Okay. Our electrons, we know our electrons is 18 because it's the same as our protons. And our neutrons, we have to subtract the number of protons from the atomic mass. So 40 minus 18 gives us 22. So our neutrons is 22. And then we're going to draw this in. I have my pink. My protons is 18. 18 plus. My neutrons is 22 N for neutrons. And then I'm going to put my electrons in. On the first level, I have 2. The next level can only hold 8. So there's my 8. 8 plus 2 is 10, so I still need 8 more because 18 minus 10 equals 8. This level, the third level, can hold up to 18, but I only need 8 to fill up all my electrons. And that's how we do the Bohr model for argon.